Welcome to a new video in our series IBM Power Virtual Server, The Essentials. My name is Tony Bastiaans, and in this video I'm going to talk about how ISVs, independent software vendors, can use Power Virtual Server to modernize their environment and to make the next step in their journey to cloud and to a new business model. If we look at how software currently is sold and how that is progressing, we were of course coming from perpetual licenses, long-time ownership, upfront cost, and recurring support costs. So customer bought a license, has that, and renews the software maintenance every year, every 3 years. We saw the last years that the software licensing turned to subscription. It's a defined period, so ISVs get a recurring payment, and support was included in towards that. So customers really bought software for using it a month, a year in that area. So, and then what we now see is that customers are looking for a new way to consume software. They are looking for software as a service. They want only pay for what they actually use, and of course support should be included. So it really turns out to consumption based. And we really also see that ISVs are in a journey to transfer from that traditional software license selling. They want to go to a software as a service. So instead of purchasing and installing software on the customer's own infrastructure, customers want to access the solution remotely. They want to consume it directly. They don't want to think about infrastructure on-prem anymore. So an ISV is then providing and managing the underlying infrastructure, security, and the updates around that one. And these services can be done by you, or of course in cooperation with another partner, because maybe you are really good in your software but not in your environment, in managing environments, and you can work with another partner to make that happen. What then happens? The customer gets one bill for the total solution, the application, the infra, and the services. And that delivers value add to your customers, and it is an upsell to you. So what we really can help you with Power Virtual Server in the journey is host your solution on Power Virtual Server, set up a SaaS environment around it one. The customer can really consume what they need and the solution that they need, and they get one invoice via you or via IBM. We can discuss that model where you want to go, where we really say, hey, you consume this environment, so you get a bill for software, infrastructure, and the services around the one, so everything in one vice. And in that way you really make the next step in your journey, and you come to where the customers really want to go currently. They want to consume it differently. They really want to work as software as a service. They want to consume a solution and only pay for what they use. We really can help you in that journey to make that step to software as a service. So reach out to us and we can help you make the next steps in that area. Thanks for listening to this video in Power Virtual Server, The Essentials, and stay tuned for more.